Hello everyone, welcome to codesing.in. So I'm Narendra Singh. So today we are going to do problem number 198. That is very famous problem, house robber. So let me explain you the question. So according to the question, there is a robber. He can rob. We are given an array. So according to array, there is a let's say the array given the gold present in the house. So suppose let's take an example. So we have an array in which house number 1 have gold 1, second have 2 gold pieces, third have 3 gold pieces, fourth have 1 gold pieces. So if I rob first house, I cannot rob the next house. So if I rob first house, I can rob the next to next house. I cannot rob the next house. If I don't rob that, I can rob next one. So I have to return maximum gold I can rob from these houses, the given houses. So we are going to solve this problem using recursion. So let's get it right. So what we'll do, my method is I'll create an helper function and use the recursion there. So what I'll do, I'll create an helper function and pass the indexing. Like if I'm at 0th house, so I'll pass the indexing, and let's take indexing as I. Suppose I'll rob the first house. So I'm studying the first house. I have two options. Either I can rob that house, either I cannot rob the house. So first is rob. Suppose I rob the house, so I can. So what we'll do, we'll add this amount. We'll rob. Let's say nums. We rob this house, so nums of 0. Sorry, indexing. Well, then we'll call the function. I rob the house, then we can call next house helper. So suppose I rob this house. This is house number 1. I cannot rob the next house. I can only rob next to next house. So I have to add I plus 2 here. Now if I not rob the house, I can directly pass. I didn't rob anything, so there is no amount. So 0 will be there, and I can यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. So now we have to return the maximum amount we can rob from there. So we'll return max of robbed or not robbed. Okay. So we'll obviously have some base cases. Suppose we are at the we robbed almost all house, and we are standing at the end house, at the ending house. So we cannot go beyond that. So we have to return the 0, because we cannot go beyond that. If I is equals to or greater than, because it's the 0 based indexing, so we have to also use indexing equals to len of nums. What we'll do, we'll return 0. Okay, and now we'll call helper function, and okay, let's directly return this helper function, and we'll pass 0 here. Okay, and we'll run this code. And as you can see, our test cases passed. Okay, we'll submit this question. So there is another method, we can optimize this question a bit more, that called memorization. So it's also known as dynamic programming, where we store the previous house. If we robbed, so we'll store that data. So it's giving us TLE. That's what I'm explaining. It's going beyond the recursion limit. So we have to do dynamic programming. We'll store what we'll do. If this code is doing, if I robbed house number 1, sorry, if I not robbed house number 2, and in the second chance I robbed that, so again going to recursion, so we have to store that data. So for that, what I'll do, I'll create an hash map. Okay, and we'll add some code. If I in dp, then return dp of I, and we'll also give it a variable dp.I equals to max amount, and return dp of I. Okay, I guess we are good to go. We'll run this question and we'll submit this. So now it's submitted. So yeah, that was this question, house robber. It's very famous question. So I'll put the solution link below. You can check out the solution. That's it.